Hi, welcome in this video. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way how you can back up your job or folder using PowerShell scripts. Here you can see my diagram plan. At the first is location need to be backed up. This is exactly the job that I want to back up. The next one is the staging locations, is where will come pass first my backup job priority to go to the backup location. It's basically a transition or a transit location. So then when my backup folder moved from the staging location to the backup location, automatically the staging location turns empty. So let us start showing you how that works. Here is my code, script code I've already written. Type. The first line is called stop. Basically, I put this to make safe my folder if something goes wrong on the next lines of my code. So it means that this will stop a void to lose my job in case of something goes wrong, and I will not be worried to do any restore. The second line is my folder, so it exactly where the job that I want to back up. Here is the path. As you can see, so exactly he is here the work that I want to back up. I can show you the path. Exactly, here is my path, and those are the folders or files that I want to back up. And the next line is calling staging. Here is the staging location, my transition, as I said, my transition location. Here is the path of my transition location. As you can see in the third line is exactly what I have here, and the staging location is actually empty, as you can see. And the fourth line is the backup where my folder will be handled. Here is the path of my folders. As you can see also is correct, is exactly empty at the moment. And the code on line 5, remove item, it means that this will remove everything that will found in the backup area priority to be copied. And recuse and force, it means that it's the code for bypassing any issue or prompt that can be encountered on my backup during the process. Copy item is exactly this is going to copy all my folder that's coming from the backup, the backed up location. That's what I want to copy. This is will bring it in the staging area, and the code over here you can see this is, it's very important because it will bring everything that's are in my backed up location, my job that I want to back up. Without this code, I will miss up some information. I need to put it to make sure that I have everything. I'm bringing everything to the staging location so that I cannot miss something else. And the line 7, it's calling staging, so it's bringing everything from the staging to the backup locations. And the line 8 is remove item, so that will remove the item from the staging location priority to hand to the backup location. That's exactly the process that I say that when something, when the fall, when the transits, there are transition from staging to the backup location, automatically the staging location turned empty. The reason why we have these codes here. And the ninth is exactly a printed out of it, like echo in other, like we, as you know, the bash has learned that I want to print it out a statement. So let me run my script. You can see here my script runs without any issue. I can show you now my backup location that was empty at the first. My staging location is empty at the moment because the process is going very fast. And you can see now my backup location. My backup location is the same path that you see for the first. My backup location is now with those file, those folder that I had in I was thinking to backup. So it now has the folder in it. That is the way that process runs. And another thing important I want to show you is the first line. I say that to stop any process if something gets wrong in the on my during my script is exactly what I will show you at the moment. And let me try to do some mistakes. I can maybe remove here my to turn it just wrong. And let me try now to run my script. You will see that this will not run as can. You can see access was denied because there were some that still keep my information and without removing any things from this file. So it means that my process works correctly as was expected. So let me turn it again on. This is exactly what was before. I will show you again one last experience. That's how this process works. You can see my backup location is now with the folder that I was expecting to have at the end. I will delete it at the moment. Just delete that. I clean it up. You can see it's now empty. Let me try again to work. You will see that will come again as I said. So let me clean it up the screen. I will run at the last moment. Again, you can see how it just run. This means that my process ran correctly without any issue. Then I will go back to the backup location. I cleared up before. Then you will see again there will be a folder. Here we go. We have it here. So this is basically the simplest and easy way that you can do your backup using PowerShell script. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have anything, please try to ask your instructor. Thank you.